Okay, so here we go. We have to use this formula. To help us get the perimeter of the rectangles. So let's go ahead and use that. So perimeter equals 2 times length plus 2 times the width. So let's plug in what we know. So 2 times the length, which is 3.5, plus 2 times the width, which is 2. So our perimeter equals 2 times 3.5, which is 7, plus 2 times 2, which is 4. So the perimeter is 11, use the units of measurement, centimeters. Next one, let's use the same formula. Perimeter equals 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. So let's plug in what we know. 2 times the length, the longest one, 6.8, plus 2 times the width, which is 4.2. If we go to the next line, it'll be 2 times 6.8, which is 13.6, plus 2 times 4.2, which is 8.4. Let's do some working. It should be 13.6 plus 8.4, and we get 22, and we're talking centimeters. So next one, we have again same formula. The perimeter is the same as or equal to 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. So let's plug in what we know, and we know that the length is 2 times 7.2 plus 2 times 1.5, and let's do those little equations. 2 times 7.2 is 14.4, and we're adding 2 times 1.5, which is 3, and so that looks pretty straightforward. We should have 14.4 plus 3 is 17.4, and we're talking centimeters.